So, what is quadrilateral?
Shape which is four sides.
Four sides. So, how many type of quadrilateral you studied with me? Can you name some quadrilateral?
एक तो trapezoid था.
MashaAllah. What is trapezoid? What is trapezoid? Trapezium. Trapezium and trapezoid, right?
Yes.
It's same. So, what are the properties of trapezium?
And
Okay, isosceles trapezium and non-isosceles trapezium, right? One pair of parallel side and one pair of non-parallel side. If both are equal, are equal in length, non-parallel sides also equal, so that is regular trapezoid, right? If non-parallel are not equal, of course, parallel are never equal in trapezium, right? But if non-parallel also equal or not equal, that depends upon regular and irregular trapezium. What other kind of trapezoid you learned? What other kind of quadrilateral, I mean, you learned? Can you name other quadrilateral?
square rectangle.
Square rectangle, mashallah. Yes. Square rectangle and another kind of quadrilateral, you know?
Kite.
Kite?
Rhombus.
Yes.
Rhombus.
Kite and rhombus. Can a parallelogram become rectangle? Which one is parallelogram out of these two?
दोनों है.
Mashallah, both are parallelogram. But why people say that this is rectangle and this is parallelogram? If both are parallelogram, so why do the people say that this is rectangle? I want to discuss with you. I discuss with only very genius people, not everyone. Okay, tell me, why people call it this one is rectangle? If you are saying parallelogram, why people say rectangle? See my words. Because this has 90 degree. Four angles are 90 degree, right? The sides properties, opposite side same. And angle properties is all angles are 90 degree. These two properties recognize that this figure is rectangle, right? Now, all rectangles are parallelogram, right? All rectangles are called parallelogram. But in the red, converse is not true. But all parallelogram, short form are not rectangle. Got it? All rectangles called parallelogram because this obey the properties of parallelogram. What is the properties of parallelogram? Any parallelogram property? Can you tell me the property of parallelogram? Every day we will discuss in detail only one figure. Parallelogram properties are what? Only parallelogram properties are opposite side must be parallel, right? Yeah, parallel and equal. Parallel sign is this one. And equal. When the equal maths is like this. Equivalent or equal. Parallel sides are equal. And parallel and equal. This is parallelogram, right? So in square, in rectangle also, opposite side are parallel and equal. That's why we call it parallelogram. Got it? But its special name is rectangle. So we can say that square is also a parallelogram. because it's obeys this property, is obeys this property. This is also inherit these property. So these are the inheritance of this and this, right? That's why there is some very special specific reason that make you a different student if you know all these things. Otherwise, everyone know that there's a cross figure and non-90 degrees parallelogram and opposite side parallel. But these some special points I'm telling you that you must remember it. Okay, anyway, you just move on to the next one. And now we will, whenever they will ask you some critical points, so you remember this information, you can reply easily. Now see, if we come the angles of quadrilateral. Now we will learn today the angles of quadrilateral. 72, 123, 113. What is the fourth angle of this quadrilateral? You know the total sum of the angles of quadrilateral is how much? Any quadrilateral, either this is regular or irregular. Any quadrilateral, if you have any quadrilateral, the total sum of the angle is how much? The sum of the total angle, interior angle of quadrilateral is how much? How much the sum? How much the sum of all angles? You know how much the sum of all these angles, these sum of interior angle is? Total sum is? Yes, hello?
200 GG.
Yeah, 180 plus 180? Yes. So 360 is the sum of all angles of quadrilateral. So if these three angles are given, this look like regular or irregular quadrilateral. Which angle is given on the screen? Read the angles. How much the angles of
72,
quadrilateral?
123, 122.
132. So what will be the last angle? Quickly calculate and tell me. I told you that total should be what? Total should be 360. Yes. Do you have notebook? Pencil?
Yes.
So total. Still you didn't calculate how much time you are taking.
कर रहा हूँ.
Okay, do it.
33.
Okay, so which first answer? Yeah, see, total is 360. Add up all these and subtract from 360, you get it. Yes, next one. You will do very quickly now with me. Yes, dear.
What is the fourth interior angle of this quadrilateral?
Yeah, it will be bigger than everything. Bigger than every angle. Because it look like bigger. Once you calculate if the figure is correct, it will be bigger than 104.
$208.
208?
नहीं.
Okay. Tell me answer, yaar.
हाँ. 148.
Are you sure? Oh my god. Do the calculation again. See the calculation. 208. 360 minus 208 you cannot. How come 148? Do your calculation again. Are you sleeping or playing game?
गेम में नहीं खेल रहा मैं.
फिर क्यों नहीं हुआ ये माइनस आपसे?
ऊपर करने थोड़ा सा. 152 answer.
Yeah, that's why I said that be careful and in the next question there should not be any mistake. Yes, this one. Do quickly. Those all are same. No different logic. Slowly they will take you into some harder one. Once you do the smaller practice, I will take you on some harder questions. 64 or 54?
64.
Okay, that's fine. Quick.
One 7 plus 56 plus 89 98.
98. Okay, so I should correct this one. Okay, very nice. Here's the next one. 4 you have done. So quadrilateral exercise will finish now very quickly. All are irregular because that's why angles are changed. So these all are irregular.
110. D.
Okay. Next. Yes, this is also irregular.
Seven.
Well done. Yes. Irregular again. 7th question. Okay dear, it's a big challenge for you. I want your result is much better than before. And in the next skill, I am waiting for your 100% results.
48.
Very good. You are improving. Yes, red one.
D.
Okay. Yes.
$83. A.
Okay. Let's see. Mashallah. Yes, last question. So see, this is question ABCD is a rhombus. Only one angle is given. I think you have to guess why they gave only one angle, and they said the name of the figure also. Last time I told you. Yes. So what you recognize due to it?
A होगा 1 106 C.
You know, C is 106. How you get C?
क्योंकि मैंने 180 से माइनस करा है ना.
Mashallah, mashallah. Because these two parallel, so this will be, you get this one will be 106. Mashallah, mashallah. I was not expecting that you already know it. Okay, because this parallel are, oh my god, last sign came. So 106. So 176 and 106 is this. So this one is how much? This angle D. Can you tell me this angle? This angle will be now how much? This is opposite same. I am just asking for information. This opposite is same, right? This is
74.
Yeah, and this angle will be what?
106.
Yes, it's correct. But they are asking only what in this question?
A.
Yeah, they are asking the size of A. So size of A is this one, the upper one. So upper one is 106. Very good. So we get it. So the answer is C, huh? Okay, so we take it C. Very nice. So your ending of the quiz is very nice. So in the end you perform well. Only one mistake you did when you were sleeping, but now I expect that you will awake in the next couple of exercises. Now I close this writing and go back into the next unit. Let's see. Just classify the triangles. Now you will classify the triangles. So first of all, I remind you all kind of triangle, then you will do. So let's see on my board. I tell you the properties of triangle, and then you will solve the quiz. So the properties of triangle is first kind of triangle. First type of triangle is equilateral triangle always. So in the equilateral triangle, all sides equal. All sides
Equal.
Yeah, all angles. All sides, all angles equal. Second is this isosceles triangle. Any two sides equal, right? Any two sides. Maximum two, not all. Otherwise, I can say the two sides equal here also. So this is called also isosceles triangle. But this is all sides equal. That's why all three sides equal. All three. Here, any two sides maximum equal. This is called isosceles. Isosceles triangle. And third type of triangle is right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, any one angle must be 90 degree. Got it? You got it, Taha?
जी
You are not listening me?
नहीं सुन रहा हूँ मैं. आपकी आवाज एकदम अटकी है.
3 times I said, you said G. I'm explaining everything. A, B, C. Any sides equal in this case? The last case? No? No side is equal? This is called scalene triangle.
कौन सा?
Scalene. Yeah, scalene triangle. So these type of triangles are there. When some are more triangle type they give. One is acute angle triangle. We call it this one. Can say acute angle. Acute angle is any one angle is acute like this. Suppose if I say this is acute angle, all these from this triangle you will get now. Acute angle triangle. Number 2, obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse is greater than 90 and less than 180, right? These two type of triangle and right angle we already discussed. So these are the type of triangle you will see. Now shall we go on to the screen again?
जी.
Okay, now see. Just recognize now. As I describe the triangle, which kind of it is. Read the question and tell me.
Which of the following describe the triangle shown above? Scalene right angle and acute angle triangle.
On my board, I told you all the triangles. Now, if you forgot it, I will kill you.
ये है right angle triangle. Scalene right angle triangle. हाँ.
Which one? A? Okay. See, wrong. Scalene right angle triangle mean all different. But here you can see isosceles right angle triangle because two same sides. I told you, but you were not concentrating on my explanation. I told you that if two sides are equal, these are isosceles triangle. So isosceles right angle triangle. Now next, see this one. I will not explain that board again. Now you will do. What kind of triangle is this? All sides different.
Obtuse scalene triangle.
Okay. Wrong. See, now why C is correct? You know, it's logical questions. You have to concentrate. It's not easy like that. They ask scalene right simple. These are some logic over there. It is an isosceles triangle, obtuse isosceles triangle, right? Not obtuse scalene triangle. The two sides again same. Two sides all different. Two sides same, so isosceles triangle. Remember it next time. Yes, this one. Read it.
The triangle has two. एक minute. The triangle has two sides of equal length, and the third is longer than the other two. It has a right angle. Which of the following correctly describes it? This is a right isosceles triangle. This is a right scalene triangle. This is a equilateral. A answer है.
Okay. Yeah, you are nice one. The two sides equal and right angle also. Now make your sense like this. I told you in the last activity that you have to get the perfect 100.
Shorter than the two. Following this part. This is
two sides equal and third is shorter. Yeah, which of the following correctly described? There will be slight difference and you have to pick it.
B.
Which one?
B.
Last one? This one?
B.
This one?
G.
Yeah, very nice. Okay. Next one. Yes. All different. All different, all acute.
It is an obtuse isosceles triangle.
Obtuse. Where is obtuse angle in this? And where is isosceles? Isosceles mean two equal sides. There is no two equal sides. So isosceles case take away. There is no isosceles case because take away isosceles case because no two equal sides. So A and C already wrong. Now select from B and D. Anyone?
$90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा तो नहीं है कहीं पे भी ये.
Yeah, but acute yoga, yes. But these two are wrong, right? So this one is correct. Now you are getting perfectly fine. Like that, you use your mind. Okay. First take away all wrong answers and then select the correct one. Yes, all sides are different and 90 degree is not showing. Okay. If they show a small square over here, then it will be 90 degree. But they didn't show. But this looks 90 degree triangle. Because 4 square plus 3 square is 5 square. 4 square plus 3 square is 25. Pythagoras theorem obeyed. So this is right angle triangle. Now tell me, which kind of right angle triangle?
A scalene right angle triangle.
Mashallah, mashallah. So, but first you have to check that it's obey the Pythagoras theorem or not. Means the square of this plus square of this must be equal to square of this. 4 4 is 16, 3 3 is 9, equal to 25, right? Shall I write here?
Yes.
Okay, so that you will remember. Pythagoras theorem you will remember. So you can say the Pythagoras theorem is this: 4 square plus 3 square equal to 5 square. Two kids are talking over here. 16.
चलो जाओ यहाँ से बाहर जाओ.
Easy.
आवाज जा रही है बचन को. पिटाई लगा देंगे फिर.
Easy. Don't scold on them. They are kids. Just easy. 16 plus 9 equal to 25. 25. So you see that if this obey the Pythagoras theorem, it's right angle triangle. In right angle triangle always, this says they did not show that this is 90 degree. But when I check that, it's obey. That 4 square plus 3 square is equal to 5 square. Like this, 25 equal to 25. So your answer is correct. So your answer is A. Very nice. Now next one.
मिटा दे.
Sure, why not? Yes, now.
Triangle has two sides of equal length and the third is longer than 2. Is one angle greater than the right angle?
Which one? A triangle has two sides of equal length and the third side of longer than the two other length. It has an angle is greater than right angle. Of course, it would be obtuse. So, whatever. Isosceles cannot be because the two sides are equal in it. No, see, it will be isosceles. So now third one is wrong. Third one I can also correct because equilateral is also called isosceles. But in equilateral triangle is no more angle is more than 90 degree, means obtuse. So we have to select some obtuse one. So first one is right isosceles triangle. Obtuse case is not there. We have to search the obtuse case greater than the right angle. So it is an obtuse isosceles triangle, acute isosceles. So I think C is correct.